Miway, established in 2008, Miway Insurance Company is based in Johannesburg as insurer of a subsidiary of Santam. As a South African online-enabled short-term insurer, Miway provides a comprehensive set of non-life policies, example, which they cover as motor, household, business and liability cover, with a strong focus on digital accessibility and strong customer services.
Key competitors. The South African insurance market is highly competitive with major players including Old Mutual, Santam, Discovery, Hollard, Quadrisk, Zurich, Mutual and Federal, Momentum, Alexander Forbes, African Rainbow and Bright. These companies maintain market share through innovation, new products and strategic partnerships. Miway's market position. Miway operates in South Africa's short-term insurance sector, offering a range of non-life products including liability cover through a fully digital platform, the first of its kind locally. This model reduces intermediary costs for customers. Backed by majority shareholder Santam, Miway benefits from financial stability and brand credibility. The company focuses on customer satisfaction as a key differentiator in a competitive market.
To give our clients the freedom to live their way by delivering insurance their way. This vision reflects Miway's commitment to providing tailored, intuitive services that align with clients' evolving lifestyles and digital preferences. Mission. Miway's mission is to deliver exceptional insurance through personalized, flexible product options, digital-first platforms for simplified interactions, open, honest client communication, and agile, innovative internal culture. Miway's values. Miway's values are our values that shape who we are and how we work, guiding our services to clients' collaboration with colleagues and partnerships in business. Every Miway is committed to living these values. Accountability. Deliver on promise. Own your actions. No excuses. Attitude. A positive can-do mindset sets us apart and drives success. Energy. Approach goals with passion and inspire those around you. Freedom. Think creatively. Challenge norms and innovative solutions. Professionalism. Maintain high standards in appearance, conduct, and ethics. Strategic alignment. Miway's vision, mission, and value align directly with its core strategic priorities.
Competitive weakness of Miway. When we apply the value stick framework or limited competitor benchmarking and value creation, Miway has been slow in benchmarking key matrices like NPS and claims efficiencies. Competitors like Lemonade leverage IA for fast claims and competitor and customer-centric pricing, enhancing value and loyalty, while Outsurance drives retention through rewards and user-friendly apps like Naked, uses automation to reduce costs and offer transparent pricing. Miway has various risks of limitation, especially when it comes to technology gaps. Competitors like Naked and Lemonade lead with AI and automated claims, setting industry standards. Miway's incremental tech upgrades and legacy systems risk falling behind as competitors advance with scalable cloud solutions. When we apply the Porter's generic strategies, Miway risks being stuck in the middle, lacking clear differentiation or cost leadership. Outsurance leads with reliability and rewards, and we've seen that Lemonade differentiates itself through AI, speed, and social purpose. Some of the market gaps and product portfolio when it comes to Miway, like products for cyber risks, economy gig workers, and embedded insurance, while Naked and Lemonade have capitalized on these emerging markets. Miway has increasing regulatory demands, such as the POPI Act, and outdated infrastructure exposes Miway to operational vulnerabilities. Digital native competitors are better equipped to adapt through advanced tech and cybersecurity. When we conduct a CREO assessment, and we note that in terms of valuable, Miway offers reliable digital convenience and strong brand recognition. However, it lags behind tech-savvy competitors in meeting evolving demands, for instance, personalized services and innovative products. Miway's capabilities are not unique when it comes to being rare. Competitors offer similar digital services and products. It lacks a distinct differentiator or niche. Miway's strengths are easily replicable. There are no strong barriers such as proprietary technology, unique brand attributes, or deeply embedded culture. In terms of Miway, in processing in digital transformation and talent development, internal silos and legacy systems limit agility and the full realization of its capabilities, and that addresses how organized it is.
Miway opportunities. Miway has an opportunity to leverage artificial intelligence and advanced technology for customized risk products offering and also increase customer engagements through usage of chatbots. Also, it's got an opportunity for automating claims through artificial intelligence to improve the turnaround times for claims. We capitalize on growth of emerging middle class as indicated by the University of Cape Town report, which shows a tripled growth of middle class growth, increasing the total market share, expanding market share through digital channels. In terms of the threats that they encounter, there's climate and weather risks, which we have observed increased floods, hail and storms, which drives higher claims and reinsurance costs. Economic pressures and affordability constraints. There's inflation and rising disaster-related costs push premiums higher, risking reduction in subscriptions. Weak economy and constrained incomes reduce consumer demand. Under the technology and cyber risks, there's also a greater digital reliance, increased exposure to cyber threats, and also dependence on the real-time data system carries operational and technological risk, which may also include identity theft. Competition and pricing pressures. Strong incumbents such as Santam, Hollard, Old Mutual dominates the market. Insurance technology challenges target niche segments, making competitive position tougher. Looking at the Porter generic strategy, Miway applies a hybrid strategy blending cost leadership and differentiation, and they categorize themselves as a differentiation focus. In terms of cost leadership, Miway is technologically driven efficiencies, deliver affordable insurance, and in terms of the differentiation, it focuses on customer satisfaction, digital innovation, transparent services, including industry feedback platforms, which sets Miway apart.
Assessing the internal environment, we applied the Porter's value chain analysis strategic framework that proposes that we broke down the company's key processes to analyze and identify areas where they can be competitive edge. In the case of Miway, the strengths that we have identified are: 1, the regulatory compliance. Miway holds both short-term and long-term insurance licenses. Established brand. The company has been in operation since 2008 with strong market recognition. Customer data, which is a wealth of it accumulated over the period, which offers opportunities for AI-driven insights. Strong partnerships with the towing companies and panel beta service providers. Integrated digital platforms, which are user-friendly apps and integrated customer service channels. However, there are weaknesses as well that came out after applying the model, and these are as follows. Claims processing delays. Vehicle claims averages 30 days for settlement. The lack of telematics usage, which says Miway does not utilize driver behavior monitoring systems to personalize premiums. Limited use of artificial intelligence, where there is an insufficient use of it to leverage data for strategic decision-making and product innovation. Restricted product offering by identifying that Miway doesn't insure cars that are older than 15 years or 350,000 kilometers. In South Africa, this is a huge loss for Miway because the growth of used cars market is progressing drastically. Auto Trader reports over 367,000 second-hand transactions in 2024, while We Buy Cars sells an average of 190,000 cars annually. Lastly, the inflexible insurance products, where there's lack of offerings for low usage customers, for example, those that are working from home, where we can reduce their insurance because they are not driving their cars regularly.
Strategic execution. Customer values in the insurance industry typically depends on cost, which includes premium, cover limits, excess, and discounts. Claims, which includes reputation, process efficiency, and technology. Value added, additional products and services enhancing the core offering. Customer service, efficient policy management and amendment and communication. Onboarding efficiency, which include ease, speed, and technology use during sign-up. We have used a balanced scorecard to analyze Miway strategic execution. Financial perspective. Miway financial performance reflects its focus on sustainable growth and operational efficiency. Gross written premium. Miway achieved an 8% GWP growth in 2024, up from 5% in 2023. Profitability increased in digitalization has reduced operational cost while maintaining competitiveness pricing structure. Customer perspective. Miway prioritized digital convenience to enhance customer experience but faces ongoing challenges. Digital claim submission. The Miway app streamlined claims, contributed 187,484 5-star on Hello Peter rating. These come with challenges, and the challenges are increased risk of fraudulent claims due to automation, potential for underpayment for over-reliance on AI-driven assessment, benchmarking. Competitors like State Farm, an American insurance service provider, leverage on machine learning to improve claims accuracy and processing speed, a potential opportunity for Miway. Internal processes. Miway operational model centers on digital efficiency but presents risk. A 24/7 access reduces reliance on call center and lower labor cost, though it increases fixed IT expenditure. Decentralized structure. Specialized team promotes growth but risk enforcing operational silos. Learning and growth perspective. Miway people strategy focuses on upskilling, wellness, and retention to drive performance. Upskilling. Ongoing learning and development program enhances staff competence. Employee wellness. Initiative like Miway Running Club and MFIT Club, along with strong medical and pension benefits, improve staff satisfaction. Retention. Focused on wellness and development initiative help increase turnover and retain institutional knowledge.
Challenges and risks facing Miway Insurance. Miway Insurance operates as a digital-first, short-term insurer in South Africa's competitive and highly regulated market. While innovative, Miway faces key strategic risks that could impact growth and sustainability. Firstly, regulatory risks. Compliance with FSCA, POPIA, and Insurance Act updates increases costs and operational complexity. A mitigation could be leveraging pastel analysis and RegTech tools with dedicated compliance teams to stay ahead of legal challenges. Secondly, technological disruption. InsurTech competitors use AI and big data for faster claims, tailored products, and competitive pricing, threatening Miway's market share. A mitigation could be focusing on product innovation. Thirdly, cybersecurity and data privacy. Miway's digital model increases exposure to cyber threats, risking financial loss and reputational damage. A mitigation could be to invest in stronger cybersecurity measures such as encryption, firewalls, and testing, as well as to use risk matrix to prioritize risk and track progress via a balanced scorecard. Lastly, customer retention in a saturated market. Low switching cost and fierce competition increases churn risk. A mitigation for this could be to use a value stick framework to add value through loyalty rewards, flexible usage-based premiums, and AI-driven communication. Focus on market penetration by retaining existing clients through great service and analytical tools such as NPS.
Recommendations for strategic improvement. Technology integration. Artificial intelligence-driven claims may be implemented to advance fraud detection algorithms and automated approvals to improve efficiencies and reduce risk. They can also introduce chatbot support and real-time claims tracking for improved customer engagement. And also in terms of the employee retention and succession planning, there's an opportunity for establishing structural successional planning for continuity in key roles. You can also offer certification and development programs to attract and retain talent. You must also consider workplace daycare near Miway offices to support work-life balance and improve loyalty. In the customer centricity fraud prevention, Miway can also combine artificial intelligence automation with the human oversight for high-value items to balance fraud prevention with speed and customer trust.
Implementation Plan, Strategic Execution Roadmap, 2025 to 2027. Phase Execution Roadmap. Phase 1. Foundation, Q3 2025 to Q1 2026. Launch AI-driven claims chatbot. Redesign customer onboarding, UX UI. Train staff on agile methods and digital tools. Phase 2. Expansion, Q2 2026 to Q4 2026. Integrate APIs with service providers, roadside assistance and finance apps. Expand Miway app adoption and functionality. Enable full service for major policy types. Phase 3. Optimization. Q1 2027 to Q4 2027. Pilot usage-based insurance. UBI via telematics. Launch predictive pricing engines for personalized premiums. Enhance fraud detection with machine learning. Key performance indicators, focus area. Customer experience, NPS, is greater than 50 claims settled, less than 48 hours, 90% satisfaction. Digital engagement is 85% digital handling, 70% AI query resolution. Operational efficiency is 20% fewer manual claims, 25% less call time. Market growth, 15% annual online policy growth. UBI expansion. Organization agility is 100% staff turned on digital tools, agile cycles embedded.
Miway has built a strong digital foundation in South Africa insurance market, but faces growth pressure from agile competitors and evolving customer needs. To stay competitive, Miway must sharpen its strategic focus and also invest in AI products for innovation. With a clear execution of customer-centric transformation, Miway can strengthen its position and deliver on its vision of the insurance their way.